Thinking about canceling your Progressive insurance policy but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can wrap things up quickly and avoid any confusion. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Progressive website. In the search bar, type Progressive Help and click on the first result that leads to the official Contact Progressive page. This is where you'll see the different ways you can reach out to cancel your policy. One of the fastest options you'll notice is the Chat Now feature. Click on it and type something direct, like cancel my Progressive account or cancel Progressive insurance. The system may guide you, but in most cases, it will direct you to speak with an agent over the phone for final cancellation. When that happens, look for the option that says call 24/7. Tap or click it, and you'll see Progressive's toll-free phone number. You can call and simply tell the agent you want to cancel your policy. They may ask for your policy number or some basic personal info to confirm your identity, so have that ready. From there, they'll walk you through the cancellation details and confirm if anything else is required on your end. If you'd rather not call, you can also reach out by email. On the same contact page, pick a topic from the list provided. For policy cancellations, select something like your claim or claim process. That's usually the closest option. You'll then see a short form where you'll enter your full name, email address, home address, and any other basic details they request. At the bottom of that form, you'll find a message box. This is where you'll clearly state your request. For example, I want to cancel my Progressive insurance policy. After entering your information, just click Submit. Once your message is sent, a Progressive representative will reach out with the next steps or confirmation. If email doesn't get you a timely response or you'd rather handle it directly, calling is still your most reliable option. Policy cancellations often involve confirming details or discussing any fees or refunds, and speaking to an agent speeds that up. And that's really all it takes. Just head to the Progressive Help page, choose whether to chat, call, or send an email, and let them know you want to cancel. Once you've contacted them, they'll take care of the rest and follow up with you. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more simple breakdowns just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.